beautiful people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adaiah. So today, as you've seen from the title, I'm going to be styling a simple silk scarf into 10 ways. But for the sake of this video and for easy understanding, I want to plug in boo. I'm going to be styling the scarf 5 for my head, like 5 different styles on your head and 5 different styles on your body, like a shirt, like to make it into a cute, very cute top, for an Insta baddie. So you have to be a baddie. If you know you're a baddie, then stay tuned, hit that subscribe button and don't go anywhere, don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Now without further hesitation, now without further delay, let's get into it. Let's start this video already. So the first step is this. Who? I'm sorry, who? She can't sit with us. She can't sit with us. And that's on period, boo. The next style is for the 5 easy ways to style your silk scarf on your head like an Instagram baddie that you are. You might not be an Instagram baddie, but you're for sure a baddie. So now we're going to move on to the 5 easy ways to style a silk scarf on your body like a top. So let's get into it. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. But before I continue, guys, if you've reached this far in the video, I just want to tell you thank you. And I would really like it if you share the video as well, because I know you're enjoying what you're seeing. So share the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Now let's get into it. This next step, you need a necklace. We're going to put it through even lengths. Let them be at an even length. So that is it, guys. That is it. I hope you enjoyed watching me style a scarf into 10 different ways, a silk scarf into 10 different ways, styles, whatever you call it. Yeah, these are all Baddie inspired. So I hope you enjoyed it. Tell me which style you liked the best in the comments. Tell me in the comments. Tell me by liking it. Tell me by sharing the video, you know. So until I see you next time, guys, every Monday, I'll see you every Monday. Next week Monday, I'll see you, and maybe I can slowly work my way into 2 videos a week. We'll see about it. We'll see about it. So until then, bye guys. Mwah.